Coffee with the Mighty Miracleman time. I want you to think back to your childhood now. Do you remember the blank walls of our childhood rooms that were canvases for our wildest dreams? Imagine what sort of creatures you came up with. Every scribble, every poster, every imaginary friend represented endless possibilities. But as the sands of time slipped through our fingers, those vast possibilities often transformed into responsibilities. Day-to-day life, with its incessant demands, has a way of dimming that childlike wonder. If you think about it, when you were a kid, you thought you could do anything. Let's reignite that wonder of possibility. You can do anything you put your mind to. Think of your friend, the Mighty Miracleman, as proof. I'm living my best life after sustaining traumatic brain injury. Anything is possible. Don't listen to people who say it's not. I want you to rekindle the flames of those early dreams and carry them with you always, no matter our age or the weight of our responsibilities. Our heart's canvas is always ready for new sketches. Remember, dreams don't have deadlines. Continue to live your purpose. Don't give up. Never give up. Never say never. And although Jesus Christ will bring you through, just keep the faith, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.